Hey everyone, this is Self-Made Millennial. I'm Madeline Mann, and today I'm going to tell you about 3 killer features on LinkedIn, and I'm gonna go out on a limb here and say you have never heard of them. These tips are really good. And you know how I know that they're very good? Is that a few weeks ago, I was doing a presentation in front of 200 people. I snuck these tips in, like between slides very quickly, and people were raising their hands, like, please, like, can you explain that more? And I said, nah, let's just talk about it afterwards, because I didn't think it really was that important to address. But a lot of people on the feedback forum said they wish I had spent more time on it, that they felt those tips were extremely valuable. So I screwed the pooch there, but this is my redemption video. All right, so let's jump in. The first tip I'll give you is the QR code scanning feature. At events, I frequently run out of business cards or I forget them altogether. And so this feature will make it so you don't even need business cards. If you have the LinkedIn app on your phone, you can click this little box in the search bar and it brings up a QR scanner, and you can have people scan your code and quickly connect with you instantly on LinkedIn, or you can go ahead and scan theirs. And just like that, you are connected. And moving right along to feature number 2, which is find nearby. Now this one is really cool at events. It takes connecting to the next level. The way you access this feature, and again, you're going to need the LinkedIn app for this, you click where you get your connection requests, and you go up to the top center where it says find nearby. Select that, and anyone in Bluetooth range of your phone who's on this page, you can find and connect with them immediately. I had a lot of fun with this one when I was presenting in front of hundreds of people. I had us all get on that page, and I was able to shout out from the stage all these people in the audience, what's up Bruce, what's up Melissa, and connect with them all instantly. And so this can be a really fun way for everyone at an event to see who's there, as well as even at a small dinner. If you all want to connect instantly on LinkedIn, you just pop open the screen and it takes seconds. And finally, the third feature you probably don't know about is the InMail messaging statistics. So InMail messages are the ones sent by people who are not directly connected to you. And know that some premium profiles that have the ability to send InMail, they get data from LinkedIn, and LinkedIn tells them how often you respond to InMail messages. So I'm just saying, if you want more recruiters and businesses approaching you, then make sure to get that response rate up. Even if the response is, hey, now's not a great time, but thank you so much for reaching out. I'm jacked up on this, I'm having fun, so I'm gonna throw in a few more insights on how LinkedIn is tracking your behavior. LinkedIn hasn't released an exact number, but they do cap you out on the number of connection requests you can send, and it's estimated to be about 5,000. When you send a connection request and someone rejects that, then there's a little link that shows up that says, I don't know this person. If as few as 5 people click that for you, then you could become banned from sending any more connection requests. If they stop you from sending any more requests, it is possible to get that privilege back. And generally what they base that decision on is your ratio of how many connection requests you send to how many are actually accepted. If you send out a lot of connection requests, but a lot of them get accepted, then you're probably fine. You'll probably get the privilege back. But if you send out a lot and very few people ever say yes, then I'm sorry, you're probably not going to get that privilege back. So the lesson here is do not spam people, always send personalized connection requests, and Big Brother is watching. The next video for you to watch is how to craft a high impact LinkedIn profile headline. I give you the formula, very easy to follow, and this will help you to show up in way more searches and compel people to click your profile over anyone else's. You'll find the link on the screen, you'll find it in the description, as well as hit a like on this video and subscribe for new videos. Thanks so much everyone. Wi-Fi high five.